Welcome to the New York State Model Schools program. In this video, we're going to take a look at Google Workspace for Education and the additional services around Google Earth. We're going to explore ways that we can use Google Earth in our classroom, even with it not being available for our students. Now, what I mean by that is that you can continue to use Google Earth on your screen as a whole group instruction type of tool, but it is no longer something that your students will have access to. So again, you can use Google Earth as a teacher on your own device, but you cannot use it on student devices. Let's go out to Google Earth and just take a peek at what's out there. So I'm going to open up Google Earth here. You're going to see that there's lots of updates that have come up on this screen. So I'm just going to click away from them. You can create your own projects, your own explorations as far as what you want to do around Google Earth. You can create your own projects by clicking the new button or click the new project button. You can explore Earth by clicking on the explore button and exploring anywhere that you would like to go. Like I could put in the Eiffel Tower and it'll bring you right to it. So you can bring this up in your whole class and your students can take a peek and they can zoom right in on the Eiffel Tower. You can still grab the little street view Pegman here and put Pegman right outside the Eiffel Tower to be able to see what it looks like from the ground level. And so you can take a peek at what Google Earth shows as far as what's happening at the Eiffel Tower. So you can still do all of these things that you typically could do. You can still use that street view. You can still zoom back out farther into Google Earth, depending on what it is you'd like to see. You can still explore different places with your students. It's just that you have to use it on your device, not on your student devices.